guys and welcome to another Jenna's Spider video.
Oh no, you got the hammer.
Okay, no more.
That's the end of the video.
Yeah. Oh, I just want to say sorry for that previous video. You don't have to watch it. It's really bad because that was like really weird. I also wanted to show you what I got from Whiteley today. That I got with my money. No. I can't see you. Ah la la. Okay. Ah.
Okay, show them what you got with your money then.
Okay, right. So I got this choker.
Where did you get the choker from, by the way?
Claire's. I was gonna get a lace one, but they don't fit me. So I got this one instead. I'm like, I'm gonna watch the disco. Excuse me. We got some stuff for the party, but I mean, I'm not gonna go downstairs. What? Okay. Well, we have people arriving as it is now 4 o'clock. We don't have actually people arriving, but that's what, like, how thin my neck is. But
Can I try the choker?
fine. Right. So this is what you look like, and I will demonstrate it. Okay. So.
You're just imagining things that come on.
Okay. Sorry, we thought someone was there. Okay. So, my lovely volunteer.
I'm not a volunteer.
Tickles. Yeah. So that's on. And I'm gonna put that on. Yeah.
How tight can it go?
That's as tight as it goes.
Oh, that's actually
You
quite
have a really thin neck!
That's so loose.
Jeez!
Make it tighter.
That's as tight as it goes! You put it on me then. But don't, like, kill me, please.
You said you can go as thin as it goes. Okay.
See, it fits me!
It doesn't fit me, it's too loose.
But yeah, that's my choker.
Your mum's here.
Yeah, what?
Okay.
You end the video.
Okay. So, this is probably the end of the video. We had Domino's Pizza, it's gonna be quite fun. But anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment any ideas, because we've kind of run out of ideas what to do, other stuff you want us to do. And bye!